Here's kind of a close-up view. They're totally redoing this. What is it? What do you call this? Drainage route. I come from over there, then I have to go all the way over, come down, and then this way. So I hope the bike trail will extend through here. It's kind of my hope and dream. Anywho, I'm on the RadRover e-bike, 3,693 miles. I'm on my relatively new 45 North tires, which work really well. So the noticeable differences, obviously, between this bike and say like a cross current. I haven't tried the rip current yet. I'm still waiting. This way. The biggest difference is, and I'm trying to explain that, is with the torque sensing versus pedal assist. And I did a video on it, kind of showing you side by side, but it's true. Like right now I'm on pedal assist 5. I just barely need to move the pedals and it engages the motor, and it's at level 5 is the highest. It wants to just go. So I don't really have to do, there's no physical real exercise I'm doing right now other than just casually moving my legs. If I want to go faster, or if I lower this down, pedal assist, I can then pedal to try to make it go faster, but it's a 65-pound bike, so it's not practical, and there's a lot of muscle strain when you want to do that. So just, I don't know if that kind of helps give you a better idea, but some activity going on here. They're doing nature wildlife people. So anywho, yeah, so that's kind of how it feels. And the other thing is, this is not a class 3 e-bike. So a class 3 is going to get you up to 28 miles an hour, right? So it's an extra 8 miles, and in those 8 miles, if you have torque sensing, that's where it's just such a fun experience. And I kind of like the fact that initially when I got that cross current to demo it, and thank you Juice Bikes, I did not realize or know anything about it. And it's really an understated technology. And I just don't think the majority of people really understand the benefits of it and how it makes you feel when you're pedaling. It feels like an extension of you, kind of like a superhuman feeling, where this feels very motorized, like definitely like a motorcycle. And it's even as I'm pedaling right now, there's just no my muscles are relaxed in my legs. I'm just kind of moving them around. Really doesn't do too much. I'm going to drop it down to pedal assist 4. So when you are looking at an e-bike, I definitely recommend, if you want to get something with a little, interesting little speed sensor there. Interesting. So if you are in the market, you're looking for an e-bike, if you're just looking to commute, there's different things you got to look at. If you're just looking to commute, then it doesn't so much matter. Get what's cost effective, whatever you need to get. If you're looking for something where you're going to be able to commute and get exercise, I definitely recommend something with the torque sensing. And there are not many e-bikes out there right now that have it. Juice Bikes has it. I believe, anything with the Bosch engine, the mid-drive, I believe that is effectively the same thing, although I'm not sure. I need to research that and find out, but from what I understand it is. But I haven't yet to actually try one of those. So anywho, I just want to give you guys a bit of an update. We're clear. And so yeah, just when you're looking for e-bikes, definitely check the differences out. All right, that's all I got, guys. I'll see you. Bye.